they feel like they were just messing around with it. They don't feel morally obligated to go pick up the pizza. But if you like, so now we change the workflow. So it's validated, and then the order goes to the kitchen.
Not too
Yeah,
dissimilar than 20 years ago when they started online ordering. People would
yeah,
go order 20 pizzas, or they'd make a phone call and they
yeah,
wouldn't come pick them up. And
yeah,
then they'd
yeah,
be frustrated because they didn't
yeah.
get that.
Yeah, but we did see an uptake on the no-shows when we first. Of course, you want to put in an order so they don't have wait or whatever, but no, just payment first.